Hi guys, now I'm going to unbox this. There are two pair of nunchucks inside. I'm going to go through, open it, and give you some ideas about why you should and should not buy them, okay? So first of all, I am very new. I have never tried it before. So I bought it 2 days ago or 3 days ago. I just opened it today because I did not have time. So in this box there are two pairs, like I said earlier, black and red. Are they cool? Let's see. So I'll try the black one. So if you're a new learner, you don't know anything much, and you want to try and wearing glasses, I recommend you to take them off, okay? So they are pretty light, very light, these. And take a look. This is foam, the plastic foam, and there's no metal inside or anything. In that case, you are safe if you're a new learner. When you accidentally hit yourself like that, you won't get hurt or won't damage you much. But the downside, if you're an adult like me and you believe that you won't hurt yourself much, I recommend you to buy something heavier or maybe stronger or harder. So these are good, but not as flexible if you're a new learner. So bad thing about the light thing is that when you swing it and you try to grab it here, if it's in the middle like that, you cannot catch it. You cannot catch it unless you catch it there. So that helps. Yeah. Turn slowly and be careful.